Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to this bonk update. Monday is a new week and the new week already started. 6 days, 11 hours to continue on with the next week. Now I think that the last week didn't do too much. All it did is ended up closing red, and as far as I'm concerned, the weekly does show that downward pressure is there. It is what it is. 1 2 3 red candles here, and this little bit of a sideways. I've talked about 3 black rows a while ago, and you can see this coming down, make the bear flag, pop out of the bear flag, and probably come to 453 at that point of time. So on the 4-hour time frame, it's pretty much sideways, and I've talked about how you have a bullish divergence for bonk. Now hear me out. You can actually try to trade bonk at the moment. You can actually probably put a stop at 956. So we're talking about a risk here if things are going to go great, because you never know what happens in crypto. We still, the structure hasn't been really broken, to be honest, because you don't have bonk that came down here to 884. So I'm still not really negative. Like if you do come down here, that's when I'm going to start to take this pattern very seriously. It's still a pattern right now that has been presented to you on the plate, but it is not in play. Now, thing is that I want to go into the 1-hour time frame. I've showed you bullish divergences previously. You can see that you do have this regular bullish divergence when the prices are going down, and hence that's why you do have some push to the upside. Now, it's even possible you may make it up to 1118 as well. So maybe just kind of push back up here, and who knows, continue even to move to the upside. And if things go even better, you may see for this one bottom here and probably that double bottom, and come above and break this double bottom. You have a huge W. If you're going to do something like this, break above, and then you continue all the way up to 1564. So these are the things that may happen as long as you're not really coming down to 895. Take this out, and then that's when we may see a very big drop into the market. Now, of course, bonk can actually, if you told me that bonk can actually pump up, well, maybe, because if you look at from the time of all-time high, 3450 all the way down here, this is already 69% blood. Okay, so we're talking about 69% blood. Now, I'm not saying it cannot go any further down or not, but maybe after that nearly 70% move to the downside, we may get some small positive pumps here and there. Even if it doesn't really go back up to the all-time high, we might just see some small sideways pumps, like coming up to 1200 and then go down to 900, make it up to 1500. Something like this can actually be expected. But thing is, I think for me, the dead end is going to be at 895. I honestly cannot really tell you if it's going to come and take out 895. That will be told with maybe time itself. When the time is right, we will see what really happens. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love it.